you already sell on Amazon or are looking to start, you probably know by now that finding Amazon FBA products is by far the hardest part about being an Amazon seller. It is quite possible to spend hours and hours researching and looking for products to find nothing to sell. And that's really not to try scare you off Amazon FBA, that is just the truth of it. So in today's video, we want to try and help you out as we'll be showing you some Amazon FBA deals you could actually sell today. Now all these deals are from online retailers, so it means they're for online arbitrage. And although we do say you could sell these, we would probably recommend just to use them as inspiration, just because of course they're going to be seen by a lot of people. They're seen on our YouTube channel, but it also gets seen by Profitl members in our Discord community, and we do have over 5,000 people in there. So best just to use them to learn new websites, look at what offers are on at the moment, and just to find similar deals. So let's get into the products. And as always, we've saved the best website for sourcing until the end. So make sure to stick around until then. And if you did take any value from this video and if it helped you out at all, please do hit that subscribe button. It really does help grow our channel. So on to deal number one, and this product is from Game, who hopefully you know who Game are. They have both a online presence and a retail presence as well. Their retail presence isn't as good anymore. By retail I mean in store, because they got taken over by Sports Direct. They have a great website for sourcing online arbitrage deals, specifically when there's offers on. So here we have one where there's an offer on at the moment. So this product is this Lego DC Supervillain Switch, which is usually £22.99, but look, we can see there's an offer at the moment, so it's 2 for £20. And this is what I mean by using this video to find other offers as well, because it isn't just this product in this offer, there's tons of other items out there just like this. And when there's offers on, it gives you a really good potential for finding Amazon FBA products. So what it means is our unit cost for one of these is going to be £10 per unit. So let me show you the listing on Amazon. And here we can see it sells on Amazon for £24.14. So we're buying it for £10 here. Now, of course, there's loads more data we need to look into before actually deciding if this is a good deal. And I won't go into too much detail today on these products. I'll just show you the very basic first things we look for potential deals. So of course the first thing we want is it's selling for more on Amazon and we're buying it for, so that's great. Now next up, we use the Profitl Chrome extension to actually look at all the data in more detail. This tells us how much profit we're going to make, how many times a month it's selling. We can look at price graphs, we can have a look at our competition, see how much stock they have, and these are all data points we combine together to decide if we actually think this is a good deal. So we can see this product is selling 44 times a month. Now something to bear in mind, this is a variation listing. So these sales are going to be split between all these different variations, and the same with the reviews as well. It's got 2,400 reviews, but they're split between all the different variations. So it can be quite hard to understand how popular a product like this actually is. But using Profitl, it can help you out with that, because all you have to do is come down to the variation sales just down here, and you can see that the one we're looking at, the Switch Standard Edition, is getting 30% of the sales every single month. So it's selling 18 times a month. So not a crazy seller, but there's not too much competition. Only 4 FBA sellers on this listing. But check out this return on investment. So this is 86%, giving us £8.56 profit per unit. That's great because it gives us a lot of freedom if this price does come down. And what it means is this listing is making over £370 profit every month on Amazon. Now, of course, that is split between all the sellers, but there's tons of deals out there just like this. And that is what Amazon FBA is all about. It's about having lots of different product lines and not having all your eggs in one basket. So a really good profit on this item. Now on to the next deal, and this one's from Waitrose. And you're probably thinking, how on earth is a product on Waitrose cheaper than on Amazon? Because Waitrose is notorious for being very, very expensive. And this is all about trying to think outside the box a bit, because we can buy one of these Treacle Moon Ginger Morning Shower and Bath Gels for £2.65 each. Now, on Amazon, a pack of 3 of these is selling for £21.50 each. So all we'd have to do is buy these in packs of 3. We'd then combine them into a single unit, and this is the product we'd sell. So what that means for us is that our unit cost is going to be £7.95 each. And then we're going to sell it for £21.50 each. Now, of course, this is more work than just your standard product you'd sell, but that's only a good thing. You don't want to be selling easy products because it just means you're going to have more competition on your listing. So in this one, we have 4 other FBA sellers on this product, but it means it's making 84% return on investment to £6.68 profit per unit. So multi-packs like this are a great way to earn extra profit on Amazon. And this product is making £86 profit every single month. But alongside multi-packs like this, you can also also look at doing bundles as well. So this is where you combine different products together to make a bundle. This is what we call a multi-pack. You might combine shampoo and conditioner as an example. Now, before we get into some more deals, and don't forget we're not far away now until we show you our favorite website for online arbitrage sourcing. We did just want to let you know about an exclusive discount code for our YouTube viewers for Profitl. If you don't know what Profitl is by now, that's a shame. I've just been showing you what it is. It's a deal analyzer. We have a Chrome extension which helps you analyze FBA deals. We also have a mobile app so you can go out to the shops and do retail arbitrage. We have a wholesale scanner if you're more interested in wholesale, and we also have a DealFinder which helps you find arbitrage deals. This is where we scrape all of the largest retailers in the UK and the US and put them in a central portal to help you find your FBA deals. Now, we'll make the discount code pop up just here. That's going to save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans already have over 50% off, so that is a 55% saving. You can also find the discount codes down below in the description, so make sure to take that down if you are looking to save some money on your Profitl subscription. So let's move on to the next deal, and we're on another website, so hopefully you can see you can source from so many different types of websites here in the UK. And this one is from the range. It's this Pow Patrol pop-up game which we can buy for £6.49 each. Now on Amazon this is selling for £15.95 each, so that's a 66% return on investment, £4.29 profit per unit. Now there was slightly more FBA sellers on this listing than we usually like, so there's 10 FBA sellers on this listing. It is selling 69 times a month, so not too bad sales, but ideally you do want as little competition as possible on Amazon, and it is making a good profit every single month. So £296 profit this listing makes, and hopefully you can see a bit of a trend here, but it's not all about finding the highest selling listings. It's all about being diversified with arbitrage, because realistically a lot of these items you might be able to sell once or maybe a few different times, but eventually they will sell out, so you do have to keep finding new products. Once you know how to source products, it really isn't too hard to do. So now on to our fourth product, and this is actually our favorite website, and you may not have heard of this website before. You may have. Before I started Amazon, I actually hadn't heard of this website, but it is fantastic for Amazon FBA, and it's called Natino. It's a beauty website. They have a huge catalog of products. And the nice thing about this website is they're always running discount codes, they're always running offers on, and it means that their products are really, really cheap compared to what they're selling for on Amazon, and we find so many deals on this website. Now, of course, a lot of these products we have to get ungated in, but it's not too hard to get ungated. All we have to do is get a purchase invoice from a wholesaler, and then you'll be ungated and you can sell in that brand no matter the item. But this product I'm going to be showing you today is this Catrice All-Round, which we can buy for £2.30, so usually it's £2.50. Now on Amazon it's selling for £6. So what does that mean for us profit wise? That means it's making an 81% return on investment and £1.86 profit per unit. So 81% return on investment is brilliant. Typically we're aiming for 30% as a minimum, and we're getting well over double that. And that just means if it does come down a bit, we can still sell it and make a profit. 38 sales a month, 7 FBA sellers, so this product may not be for you because there's too much competition or it's too many sales, but the pure point of this video was just to teach you the types of deals out there, so you can learn new websites as well and show you that it is possible for anyone to do. When you do first start out, it is going to all seem a bit daunting and a bit overwhelming, because you can spend hours trying to find products and not find anything. But as with anything, the more time you do spend doing it, the easier it does become. So there we have it. There's 4 products for you which you could potentially sell on Amazon today. Now remember, that is just the very basics of the actual analysis I showed you today. If we were going to buy the products, we would be going into a lot more detail. We'll be looking at price graphs, we'll be checking stock levels, we'll be checking for any potential warnings. This video was simply just to show you the basics of how sourcing works and what you should be looking for. So we hope you have found this video helpful. We do post Amazon FBA leads all the time on our YouTube channel. So if you did want to see more Amazon FBA products like the ones I've shown you today, please do hit that subscribe button. It really does help. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.